káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì mi lọ́jọ́ tèmi. Orúkọ tèmi ni Ojo Adelayo. Fún ẹ̀yin tó yẹ pé alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ní tí ẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. My name is Ojo Adelayo, and today we'll be talking about the Yoruba alphabet. In Yoruba, we call it alphabeti èdè Yoruba. There are millions of speakers of Yoruba in the world, and we would like to have more speakers. Yes, because we are generous like that. Yeah, don't mind me. The English alphabet has 26 letters, while the Yoruba alphabet has 25 letters. That is because there are some letters missing from the Yoruba alphabet than in the English alphabet. But at the same time, we have some letters in the Yoruba alphabet that are double. For example, or, si, shi. That is double O and then double S. And then we do not have the C, we do not have the X, we do not have the V, we do not have the W, neither do we have the Z in the Yoruba language. And as I'll be teaching you the Yoruba alphabet, I would also give examples so that you can quickly remember. And also in my examples is a way for you to learn some body parts in Yoruba language. Now let's go right into our lesson. Yes, so A, which is A, E, A, E. B is B in Yoruba. C we do not have, so we'll go to D, which is A, B, D. A, which is letter E. We also have E, which is the letter E, but the E has a mark at the bottom of it. We have F, A, B, D, A, E, F, F, G, G, B, B, which is G, B. Now, let me start from the beginning. A, B, D, A, E, F, K, D. E, that is the letter I. E. I'm sure that sounds funny. E, H, E, I, G, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N. Let's start again. A, B, D, A, E, F, K, D. E, G, K, L, M, N. O, letter O, that's another O, but with a mark underneath. 2 O's in Yorubas, 2 E in Yoruba, 2 G in Yoruba, in the Yoruba language. So O, the O without anything under it. O, the one with something under it. B, that's the P. R, the R. S, that is like the silent S. S. Then sh. So we have the S and we have the sh. 2 S, one without anything. That's the silent one. Then sh, the one with something under the S and is not silent. T, letter T. U, U, letter U is U. We, W. Remember that I said we do not have X in Yoruba, so we have U, which is W, which is U. We have we, which is W, and Y, which is Y. We do not have Z in the Yoruba language. Now, let's start from A together. A, B, D, E, F, K, D, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, U, W, Y. Yeah! We got to the last letter. For us to remember very well, we'll have examples with the letters with some parts of the body and other ones that I can't remember the parts of the body now for the example. So, apa, that is arm. Apa. B, abia. Abia. D, that's ABD, ED, that's your bum bum. ED. Eti for E, eti, nu, nu. Fila, that is heart, cap, fila. Egungun, egungun, that's like the skeleton of your body. Egungun. B is forehead. The B is forehead. We call it agbari. That's like, you know, when men they shave their head off. Would you ever shave agbari? But shave down. That's how the head is shining. Agbari. ABDAFEKD. E, which is the H, is the H in our home as the tongue. We have Ika, fingers, any of the finger. One is Ika. Oju, the eyes. The Oju is O, J, U. So OJU, the J in it is for the Oju. That's ABDFEKD, G, Oju. For the key, Wudu, Ike, which is on the back. That at their back is actually on, so it's Ike. For Li, we say atelese, which is the feet. Will I show you my feet like this? Which is the feet. Imu. Oh, your nose. Imu. Ni. You see do enu, which is mouth. Enu. O. The O without anything is still the Oju. Then Owo for the O that has something beneath it. Then we have the I, which is Apa, which is wound. Apa is wound in Yoruba, and you can also still use the Apa, which is that's the hair, your hair. Ese, your leg. Ese, this, you know the this ese, the she be, which is spoon. She be spoon. See iton. I wish you could see it. Iton, which is your tie. Iton for iton. And you is ikun. That's the stomach. Your ikun, stomach. We do owo, money. So money is owo in Yoruba, which is the we, yi, in that's the last alphabet is aye. We are all on half. So aye is half in Yoruba, which brings which tells the yi the aye. So together, let's start again. And today looks like a painful class, and I was looking down at my book because I also made some jottings in order to get the examples correctly for you. So let's start again. Ha, bi, di, e, fi, ki, bi, I, ji, ki, li, mi, ni, o, pi, ri, shi, ti, u, ti, u, wi, yi. That's all I want to teach us today. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kọ́ wa ní ọjọ́ tèmi nìyẹn. Mo lérò pé ẹ ti rí nǹkan àbí nǹkan méjì kọ́ lórí alphabeti èdè Yorùbá, and I really hope you become expert soon. At least you starting with the alphabet is a step forward to learning the Yoruba language and being proficient in it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, alabakmin, and you mommy, share, and recommend the channel to your friends. Thank you.